Hey everyone! Today we're going to show you how to request videos from your customers in Zendesk. You know, it's a fantastic way to improve communication, gather more detailed information, and resolve issues quickly. And with the video reply app for Zendesk, it's easier than ever. Once you've installed the video reply app to your Zendesk account, open the necessary ticket. Provide the text and click a small video reply icon. There are two tabs, Record New Video and Video Library, where you can choose previously recorded videos. But if you need to ask your customer for a video, go to the first tab and click Request a Video. The clickable image will then appear in the message. After you send it, the customer should click on that image to proceed to the page where they can select Record Video from camera or screen and start recording. When it's done, the person just needs to click Save, and the video will be sent immediately. As you can see, no additional steps are required, such as installation, authorization, or pre-saving videos from customers. And that's it! You've successfully requested and received a video from your customer using the Video Reply app in Zendesk. For more tips and tutorials, subscribe to our channel and visit our website at growthdot.com.